This is my home screen. Black and white icons, a dock that disappears into the wallpaper, every app themed, even the ones that Samsung doesn't normally let you touch. And by the end of this video, yours can look like this. And here's exactly how we get there. It's 4 stages. 1, we install 1 free app. 2, we set the wallpaper that makes the dock. 3, we build the icon recipe with 3 colors. And 4, just 3 finishing touches that make people ask you, what phone is this? It's just 10 minutes on your end, no icon pack, no launcher, nothing paid. All you have to do is follow along. Let's get into it. The first stage, the one app that makes all of this possible is called Good Lock. It's an official Samsung app and it's absolutely free. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Galaxy Store, not the Play Store, the Galaxy Store. So you're gonna tap on the Galaxy Store, search for Good Lock and tap install. So we're gonna search Good Lock. I already have it installed. As you can see, mine is already installed. Now we're gonna open Good Lock. You'll see a list of modules in here, but we're just focusing on theme park right now. So I already have this installed as well. You just go ahead and install theme park. And once you have theme park installed, that's the entire setup. 1 app, 1 module, stage 1 is done. Now, stage 2, we are going to get the dock wallpaper. And this is where most people go wrong. So pay attention here because this one trick saves you an hour of frustration. Everyone tries to customize an actual dock with launchers and transparent backgrounds, and it always looks broken. We're not doing that. We're going to bake the dock straight into the wallpaper so it's perfect and it never breaks. So step 1, download the wallpaper that has the dock printed into it. The collection is linked below. There are free ones to start, so just save it to your phone. So step 2, long press on anywhere on your home screen, then tap wallpaper and style right here. Choose the wallpaper you just saved and apply it to the home screen. So we're gonna go with home screen. We wanna go wallpapers, gallery, and I just downloaded it, so it should be in downloads. So you tap download. This will be your wallpaper right here. So step 3, you're going to line up the wallpaper so it sits on your apps at the bottom. So this takes about 15 seconds once you line it up correctly. And now you have a dock that looks built in with 0 modules. Stage 2 is done. When you're finished, tap done here. And there you go. Now, so stage 3, this is the actual recipe, the part that you came for. This is where every icon on your phone becomes one clean set, all right? Now, go ahead and open theme park. Theme park. Where it says icon, this is where you're gonna tap. Icon right here at the bottom. I've already created some of the icons, but we're gonna do it from scratch. Just gonna tap create new here. Now we have 3 tabs at the bottom. Let's tap on icon. Choose monochrome, not icon pack. And when you tap monochrome, the saturation slider opens up, but we're not gonna worry about that. I'm making everything super simple for you. So to make this very precise, I just want you to tap here and we're gonna enter this hex code. So tap here and we're gonna enter E2, E2, E2. That's your exact color. Then you're gonna hit OK. Every icon is now one clean color. Now for tab 2, we're gonna tap on shape here. There are many different shapes here. The rule is if you have a soft wallpaper, you go with a rounded shape. And if you have a sharp wallpaper, you pick a squared one. But do not overthink it, okay? We're gonna go with this rounded one right here. And then we're gonna tap color. And again, go to your hex codes at the top to make this super straightforward. We're just gonna do 09, 09, 09, 09. That's your color. Tap done. Okay, and then you're gonna hit OK. So tab 3 is the effects tab. So we're gonna tap effects, then you select emboss. This is what gives the icon that soft 3D edge. So they sit on the wallpaper like buttons. Now tap color, and we're gonna go here, and all zeros. That's it. 000, 000. Then you tap OK. Now for the emboss sliders, here are my exact settings. The strength, we're going to go with 65%. Now let's go with about 65%. The edge, we can leave that at 10%. The angle, we're going to go 35%. Thirty-five percent, and the shadow we want to go with 45. There you go. And one rule, do not push the strength over 70. Anything above that and the icons start looking cheap and plastic, so try to keep it subtle. Last step, hit the save icon in the top right corner and give your recipe a name. So this would be it. Tap that. And we're just going to call this dark icon. That's it. Tap OK. Now with that one that you just edited, you're just going to tap apply. Every app on your phone themed, including the ones that never support theming, stage 3 is done. Now you're 90% there. Stage 4 is 3 tiny moves, takes 1 minute. And it's the difference between nice and wait. What phone is that? 1 widget maximum, a clock, the weather, just 1. If you do more than that, you're cluttering the canvas you just built and it looks kind of clustered. So if you have a Google search bar, you can hide that search bar, you can remove it. Now, what we're gonna do with the weather app here is we're gonna press and hold on it. And then we're just gonna tap settings right here. Now, we're gonna remove that background. Okay, and we're gonna leave it black instead of white because this will go back with your dark icons. And we're just gonna hit save. Now, once you've done that, that's the build. And a quick recap, so you've got it. 1 free app, Good Luck and Theme Park. A wallpaper with a dock baked in. 3 colors, icon, shape, and effects tab. And 3 finishers. 1 widget, no search bar, icons match the wallpaper. The exact dock wallpaper from this video is in the collection linked below. Free ones to start, paid sets if you want a polished look. Build one and tag me. I genuinely love seeing them. That's the recipe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.